Hello, Arbitrum community, and welcome to an episode of Arbitrum at ETH Denver. Today we have the Graph with us. Why don't you introduce yourself?
For sure, I'm Pranav. I am a solutions architect at EdgeNode, which is one of the co-devs of the Graph.
All right, great. Nice to meet you. And what is the Graph?
The Graph indexes blockchain data. So basically, there is a lot of information that exists on the blockchain. But because it's a linked list structure, a very complicated one, it's very tough to get that information to the dApp in fronted in definitely a decentralized manner. So the Graph has created this awesome software through which you can listen to smart contracts deployed on Arbitrum or Optimism or Ethereum and get that information in really cool GraphQL endpoints to query that in your front end of the dApp.
All right, great. And how can the Arbitrum community get involved in the Graph?
Oh, so we are moving from the Graph network from the Ethereum chain to Arbitrum. And there is so much that can be done together. We have just launched phase 1, and people who love Arbitrum can be getting involved in the Arbitrum in the Graph community and do cool things as we migrate.
All right, great. And why Arbitrum?
Of course. So basically, right now I think Ethereum is one of the best security chains in general, but it has the problem of scaling. For example, if people had to close allocation on Ethereum right now, for the indexers had to close allocation on the Graph network, which is deployed on Ethereum, it used to take $60 or something like that, and they had to do it every 7 days, right? And we had to move to a layer 2 solution, which is stable and has been there for a while. And we thought that Arbitrum would be a great solution to do that. So we moved to Arbitrum, which is the optimistic rollup, and really excited as the first stages roll out and the future stages roll out. So eventually, the subgraphs and the total value logged on subgraphs can migrate to the Arbitrum network.
Awesome. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.
For sure.